Hello, this is Ricky with Service Guide. Today I'm going to show you how to reset the oil light or the service light on a Suzuki Kizashi. So for step 1, make sure the ignition is on. Press the right button in your display for about 3 to 4 seconds. Then scroll it to the left or right until you see oil change. So now we're on step 2 and you should have oil change selected. Now press the button to select Reset OC, which means oil change. Press and hold the button until it says successful. Turn the ignition off. Your service light has now been reset. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.